Bexcore Fast Kit is composed of a guide needle coreguide and a core biopsy needle Bexcore Fast. Guide needle coreguide helps to obtain core biopsy samples in the same area. You can easily separate the stylet and cannula and fix the location with the stopper. Disposable core biopsy needle Bexcore Fast is used to collect a tissue sample for biopsy. For Bexcore Fast, you can adjust firing mode as auto and semi-auto. If you want to use it as auto mode, pull the handle twice and push button A. Stylet and cannula will go at the same time. If you want to use it as semi-auto, pull the handle twice and push button S for firing stylet, then A for firing cannula. Also, you can adjust the needle length as full and half. For half mode, pull the handle twice and change the length switch from full to half. Then you can get maximum 1 cm sample tissue. It can be used in one hand, making it even more comfortable than the previous biopsy gun model. Here's the core biopsy procedure with Bexcore Fast Kit. Under ultrasound guidance, insert coreguide into the lesion. Fix the biopsy area by moving the depth stopper. Push the button and remove the stylet. Pull the Bexcore Fast handle twice to load it. Then insert it through coreguide. Push the button to cut the sample. Remove the needle from the breast and pull the handle once to take the sample. Repeat this procedure until you get enough tissue samples.